Top 3 best stock trading apps for beginners in USA.
Thinking of making your first move in the stock market, but feeling unsure about which trading app to start with?
Today, I'll walk you through the top 3 best stock trading apps for beginners in the USA, highlighting what each one offers, what to watch out for, and who they serve best. Let's jump in to Webull. Starting at number 3, Webull. This app offers zero commission stock and ETF trades, no minimum deposit requirements, and a mobile interface designed to welcome beginners. Advantages: it lets you trade with minimal upfront cost, use fractional shares, and even try paper trading to practice without risking real money. That means you can get hands-on experience in a low-stress way. Disadvantages: because it also offers more advanced features, charts, options, extended hours, the app may feel a bit steep for someone who just wants the simplest possible experience. The learning curve could be steeper when you step beyond the basics. Ideal user: a beginner who wants solid value, that is, wants to explore investing early and is comfortable gradually learning more advanced tools once they're ready. 2. Fidelity Investments app. And number 2, Fidelity's mobile app. While Fidelity is a full-service brokerage, its app is highly beginner-friendly, offering commission-free stock and ETF trades, and plenty of educational tools and research support. Advantages: you have access to professional-grade research, a clean app interface, and strong educational materials. Great for someone who wants more than just an app, but a platform that supports growth. Disadvantages: some features might be more than a casual beginner needs. The interface might have more options than a true newbie wants, and you may not get all the ultra gamified simplicity of other apps designed purely for beginners. Ideal user: someone who is serious about investing for the long run, wants a reliable platform they can grow with, and who prefers to learn and invest steadily rather than jump into hype. 1. Robinhood. And at number 1, Robinhood. For many first-time investors, Robinhood is the door into the stock market. It offers an ultra-clean interface, zero commission trades, and a strong entry experience for someone needing a very simple start. Advantages: very easy to open an account, very simple to place your first trade, minimal barriers, it removes much of the intimidation factor, and lets you begin investing without a major learning curve. Disadvantages: because of its simplicity, it may lack some of the deeper research tools and advanced features you might want later. Some users caution that the simplicity means you need to be disciplined and not treated like a game. Ideal user: a beginner who wants to take their first step, someone who was intimidated by investing and wants the simplest possible path to start and who plans to learn and build from there. Final thoughts: if you're a beginner in the USA looking for the best trading app, here's your takeaway. For ease and simplicity, Robinhood is the top pick. For a platform you can grow into with more research and support, Fidelity comes next. For a value-focused option that allows exploring and practicing, Webull is a strong third. No matter which you choose, remember, investing in stocks carries risk. Start small, learn as you go, use the educational tools available, and avoid jumping into anything you don't fully understand. And don't forget to check the description for tools and helpful links that can make things easier for you. If you found this helpful, give it a like and subscribe for more.